Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have ever wondered what kind of YouTube setup you really need in 2025, especially if you are over 40 and you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, this video is for you. Today, I am taking you behind the scenes. I will show you my real setup, no studio, no crazy expensive gadgets, just what I actually use from home to make video with comfort, clarity, and confidence. My name is Asif Akash, and this is Travel Vista, where I help creators over 40 use their experience to build influence, income, and impact. Before we get into the setup, let's clear one big myth. Good gear does not make you a great creator. Clarity beats cameras, consistency beats cinematics. When I restarted my channel, I wasn't using fancy light or a professional camera. I had a basic smartphone, one simple light, and my Apple earphones. And guess what? If you speak clearly, serve your audience, and share real stories, even a simple setup can feel professional. Your message matters more than megapixels. Now let me show you my current setup. For my camera, I use my iPhone. It's fast, it's convenient, and it removes the stress of technical settings. For audio, I use Bluetooth Apple AirPods. They reduce noise and pick up my voice clearly. I may upgrade later, but for now, they work perfectly. For lighting, I use the Neewer mobile LED light from Amazon. Affordable, portable, very simple to use. For stability, I use the AY49 video making kit along with my Q9 gimbal and a magnetic phone holder. Lightweight, easy to set up, and perfect for home recording. And for my background, I keep it clear, neutral, and distraction free. A simple wall, a simple plant, and a warm desk lamp can help you as well. No flashy LEDs, no complicated studio decor, just calm, simple, and professional. Or you can use also a good background whenever you need it. Now let me share my workflow, because equipment alone does not build consistency. Your routine does. Here what I do. Number one, I write my script in Word, just like this one, not to sound perfect, but to stay aligned with my message. Number two, I record in short, comfortable blocks, usually 50 to 20 minutes. I don't rush, I don't pressure myself. If I make mistakes, I simply take a breath and continue. Number three, I edit using CapCut Fast, easy, and creator friendly. Number four, I design my thumbnails in Canva, same fonts, same colors, same brands, so viewers recognize my content instantly. And number five, I schedule weekly uploads using YouTube Studio. My preferred upload time is Sunday night. That's my entire workflow, simple, stress-free, sustainable. Now let me share a few tips, especially for creators over 40. Focus on comfort, not perfection. Place your camera at eye level. Use soft lighting that feels gentle. Sit or stand comfortably. Don't try to act younger. Be yourself. Your experience is your superpower. Remember, start with what you have. Upgrade slowly, not emotionally. Your voice, your story, your experience. That is your real equipment. So now I want to hear from you. What setup are you using right now? Or what upgrade are you planning next? Share it in the comments and I will reply personally. And don't miss next week episode, Luxury Hospitality Habits, the Build Success on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, because your environment shapes your creativity. This is Asif Akash and you are watching Travel Vista, where we focus on YouTube growth and life success after 40. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.